So at number 5, I want to mention performance, because this kind of did blow me away. I mean, as a tech enthusiast, upon taking a look at the spec sheet, you realise one thing straight away. This is all kinds of bad. At least that's what I thought, but oh boy was I wrong. Now obviously I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys this is the fastest laptop experience I've ever used, it's the best thing in the world, because that would just be a lie. But honestly, it performs incredibly well for the low-end hardware it has. I had 10 tabs of Chrome open, okay, with Discord and Spotify working in the background, and yet there was no performance issues. Not a single stutter, not a single lag. That is quite amazing. The fact that I've had Windows laptops, okay, with more capable hardware struggle under similar workload just shows how amazing Chromebooks are. The light software and the efficiency of the software really helps these laptops, well, just fly through basic tasks, and that is going to be a huge incentive for people to jump on board. Right, number 4 has to be battery life for me, because yet again, this blew me away. Let's be honest here, laptops in terms of battery life just suck. I mean, they're incredibly appalling. I mean, I've had my Mac for years now, and whenever I open Chrome, battery life just goes through the drain. But yet again, the Chromebook can flex its massive trump card, efficient software, and efficient software usually equals incredible battery life. And incredible is what I've been getting. I mean, I've been using this laptop now for a week, okay, and I have consistently got 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. I mean, that is smartphone levels of battery life. I am amazed that you can achieve this on a laptop. I mean, I know a heck load of people who do work on the go and their laptops just don't manage to last throughout the whole day, and well, if that is something that is a huge priority to you, then you should just buy a Chromebook. Moving on to number 3, let's talk about the presence of the Google Play Store, because yes, that actually exists on the Chromebook. A lot of people fail to mention this, but yes, all those amazing, incredible apps on your Android smartphones are available on your Chromebook. I mean, that opens up a huge range of possibilities. For one, it gives this laptop incredible versatility. I mean, this could genuinely be a tablet for some. Not a great tablet, I must admit, but honestly, the fact you can play games like 8 Ball Pool on your laptop and actually do some light photo editing with Snapseed is pretty decent. And you don't have to worry about scaling issues, because these apps are incredibly optimized for Chrome OS. So yeah, if you're somebody who's planning to do a bit more than the cheeky, casual web browsing, then the Chromebooks actually have the ability to do that now with the inclusion of the Google Play Store. Pretty neat feature. Number 2 is a big one for me. It is software updates, because yes, this Google product actually has updates. I know it's hard to believe. You see, unlike Android, where Google just cocked everything up and let manufacturers, mess around with it and just turn it into a hot mess, Samsung, Chromebooks don't have that problem. Every Chromebook comes with stock software. You heard me right. No bloatware, no crap, no nothing. Honestly, this is probably one of the best decisions that Google has ever made, hands down. Because of it, updates are actually a thing here, and they're super quick. Unlike my Mac, which seemingly takes hours sometimes for some reason to just download the update, Chrome OS updates the software and reboots your system in minutes. Honestly, that is a huge time saver. And what's crazier about all of this is that while Android phones get, like 2 years of updates and then, they're usually forgotten about, Chrome OS gets 6 years of updates. 6 bloody years of fast and secure updates. What? In fact, the model I have right now, which is the Asus something I can't remember right now, has updates till 2024. You heard me right. This is not even a new laptop, and it still has 4 more years of updates. I'm just amazed. This is amazing. I mean, if you think about it, you're paying an incredibly low price for these Chromebooks in the first place, and you still get 6 years of usage out of them. I mean, that is incredible value. In fact, that is my next point. Because number one is the biggest factor of them all. In fact, it's the chef's kiss, so to speak. The price. Chrome OS can just about run on anything, as I said earlier. And that means you can get these for as cheap as $200. That is incredible value. In fact, that's a whole lot cheaper than the base iPad, and you still get 6 years of updates. I mean, that just blows my mind. So now you may be thinking, hey Saranyan, should I pick up my $2,000 Mac, just throw it out the window, and then get myself a Chromebook? Because that seems like the right decision, right? No, don't do that. You see, there is a reason Chromebooks get hate from the tech community, and it's because you pretty much can't do anything like intensive on them. Things like video editing, for example, which I of course do for this channel, is just not a thing in Chrome OS land. And while yes, I did mention that you can use Google Play Store apps on your Chromebook, they're mobile apps, they're not built for, you know, professional use. But is that really a problem? Because I know a bevy of people who don't really do any video or photo editing or anything incredibly intensive for that matter. What they do on their laptops is, well, surf the web, communicate with friends, and watch a few awesome videos like mine. Like and subscribe. Anyways, it's for those people that the Chromebook makes a lot of sense, because unlike a cheap, inexpensive Windows laptop, which will probably fail on you in, like, you know, a day's time, Chromebooks don't. Chromebooks are actually decent. Chromebooks work incredibly well and they're incredibly reliable. But I think the bigger demographic is students, because I know a lot of YouTubers who tend to recommend the iPad Smart Keyboard and Apple Pencil combo, but in its base configuration, that's still $600, which is a heck load more than something like a Chromebook, which still gets the job done. And if you can't buy yourself a laptop right now, then, well, you can just boot Chrome OS onto your existing laptop. Yes, that's a possibility, and yes, it will give your laptop a new lease of life. In fact, you could probably use your existing laptop for another 3 years with Chrome OS. So yeah, from today, I'm a proud member of the Chrome Warriors. Okay, that sounds a bit stupid. I'm sorry about that. We'll work on it. But yeah, a little PSA for the tech community out there. Don't underestimate Chromebooks. They're actually pretty awesome. And on that note, I thought I'd leave it here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. Please subscribe and like this video, and feel free to share your thoughts about, you know, just the video itself, or of course feedback regarding my video, because I want to improve as a YouTuber and I want to grow. So your advice would be helpful. So yeah, see ya peeps.